Have you been to Hawaii and you saw those beautiful plumerias growing everywhere and just figured, hey, I live in California, I can give that a try? Well, I have grown plumerias here in Modesto, California for the better part of about 20 years. And even though I've had some failures, 99% of the time, I'm very successful and I get flowers off my plumerias. We will take a quick look at the plumerias that I have growing in pots here in Modesto, California. I also have a few that are growing in the ground. But first, if you like this channel, if you like growing exotic tropical fruit trees in marginal climates, click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Comments and questions, leave them in the comment section below. I do my very best to get back to everybody with their comments and their questions. Let's take a look at these guys. Potted up plumerias. I have a few plumerias growing in the ground, but they're a little slower. With the potted plumeria, number one, I've put them underneath my awning during the winter time so that they wouldn't get so much frost. But I also have them in pots, and it seems like the pots warm up a little bit faster during the spring, and you get a little jump start on the growing. Let me see if I can focus in. Take a look at this right here. This is called chicken feet. And that's what happens when you've successfully overwintered your plumerias and they are taken off and ready to go. Now, my plumerias did get a few things like this right here, where the leaf base the leaf was separated from the trunk of the plumeria tree, and it got a little bit of, looks like a little bit of rot. But it's all dried and it's recovering just fine, as you can see by the chicken feet starting right up here. But yeah, what I do is right now I'm just letting my plumerias just recover. I'm not doing anything else to them. We just started warming up. Our temperatures are in the 80s and our lows are just right around 50. So our soil temperature is still a little cool to put any fertilizer on these guys, or even repotting. I'm just gonna let them go. Once I get, see, you can see right here, see if we can see that guy. It's just starting to get its first leaf. Once I get two normal sized leaves coming up, that's when I fertilize. And what do I fertilize with? Well, in containers, and I know some of you guys aren't gonna like this, this is what I use. I use Osmocote. And the reason why I use it is it's an even fertilization. I'll take some, let me show you guys what it looks like. I'll take some of this stuff and I'll put it in here. I'll put about, in this size, I'll put about 2 tablespoons in a 5-gallon. That's probably about a 10-gallon size pot. I'll put about 2, so about 4 tablespoons, and I'll mix it in, and then we'll just leave it alone for a while. Then as the plant continues to grow, it shows its recovery, starts to put out new leaves and maybe even flowers, but most likely just new leaves, then I will use this stuff. Now again, I'm gonna get a lot of flack from this because it's not, I don't think that this is organic, but I mean, hey, we're talking flowers. And what I'll do is I'll put about the same. I put about that much, about 2 tablespoons, water it in really good, and I get a really good flowering. So that's it for recovering after the winter. My name is Jeff. If you like this channel, make sure to click the like and subscribe button. I will be doing more videos. I will show you guys how I start plumeria branches by separating them, doing a quick demonstration on how I reroot plumerias. But for right now, that's it. My name is Jeff. If you like this channel, make sure to click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Comments and questions, leave them in the comment section below. I do my very best to get back to folks with their comments and their questions. You have a wonderful day.